Hello, 5th grade. Today is Tuesday, December 1st. Happy beginning of December. Hopefully you're getting in the holly jolly spirit of things. Today in class, I read from Among the Hidden. I've decided that since I'm not always getting everything from my e-learners, that I'm going to omit that from your e-learning. I'm not going to reread it to video record that. I'm just going to have you focus on the main part of the curriculum since I don't really have it open for discussion with you guys anyway. So if you want to keep reading from Among the Hidden, we were about halfway through chapter 16. You can check the book out from the library in Woodhall or from the library here once I get done with it. So that being said, the second part of today was spent on Google Classroom. And so I have a few things I want to explain to you. But first of all, we did this thing that's called a quiz. It's not really a quiz, it's just going to Quizlet. And so I'd like you to click on this. And when you click it, it's probably going to ask you to join. So for me, I'm a teacher, I already have an account, but there'll be a button up here that says join now, and then after you click that, there'll be a button over here that says I'm a student. I think it'll say student and something, parent and teacher, something like that. So click student, and then the next page there'll be a little button here that says sign in with Google. It's like a little, it's not even a button, it's like a little blue link with just a few little letters down there that will say sign in with Google, and you should be able to sign in that way. But I just made a group of flashcards for natural disasters that we are studying right now, and it has the main the 4 big words, big idea words in it, and then it also has the words that we previewed yesterday so that you can practice them. First, I want you to go through all of the note cards. Notable means deserving of attention and outstanding, and I can click down here and go to the next one, a danger or a risk. I think that's a hazard. So
a danger or risk.
Oh, it reads it to me. And so you click the read it button. And so you can go through all the flashcards. After you do, you can click on other, you'll have other options over here. You can come in. I'll be done in just a second if you don't mind listening to me talk to myself. So you can go and practice on those as well. And then after you do the quiz, you'll notice that a whole bunch of assignments popped up yesterday. And these are all, hi Jack, these are all choices. So we looked at the titles today, and what I want you to do is pick one of these articles that you would like to read. And Melina and Ember, you two can probably work on a Google slideshow together, and you only need to have maybe 1 or 2 slides each, where if you choose the same one, you're just going to teach us what you learned in the article by doing a Google slideshow, a very short one. So, and I will be teaching you how to do that in the upcoming days. So you can glance through these. Again, when you open it, it may ask you to join so you can see the whole article. You can join through clicking join with Google on those. And then we kind of ran out of time today. We did get to talk about the eruption article, and in that one are the narrative nonfiction, that's what I should call it. And in that one, come on, here we go, this one. We didn't read any more of it. We just spent today talking about that first page, and we talked about words that were hard for us and talked about how to use the text to help us figure them out. So, no new reading assignment for today. I'll see you guys shortly at the Google Meet. Yep, there you go. So that is in your assignments. If you want to click on assignments, it'll pop up this article for you. See you soon.